You booked your cruise. Congratulations! Your voyage is officially on the map. But now what? I'm Monica, and this is Roll for Boarding, where we help you level up your cruise game from booking to boarding and beyond. Today, I'll walk you through exactly what to do after booking your cruise, step by step, so you're not caught off guard and can make the most of your time at sea. First step is to create or log into your cruise line's website or app using your booking number. This unlocks your digital cruise planner. Think of it as your command center where you'll manage your booking, track your countdown, and access key features like check-in, shore excursions, and being able to book various dining options and beverage packages. The second and one of the very most important steps that you're really going to need to take is to make sure that you check your travel documents. Before you get too excited about the pool deck, you want to make sure that your passport or ID is ready to go. Check your cruise line's exact rules on boarding documents to make sure you have plenty of time to get everything in order. If you do not already have a passport, apply for one as soon as possible. In some cases, you can travel with a birth certificate, but a passport is always preferred. If you do have a passport, take a moment to check your expiration date. Ensure that it is valid at least 6 months after the end of your sailing. If not, you should go ahead and start the renewal process. A lot of cruise lines will not allow you to board if it expires within 6 months of the end of your sailing. Also, make sure your booking matches the information on your IDs. If not, you may need to bring additional documentation or work with your travel agent or the cruise line to make sure your booking is updated. Consider cruise insurance. I know it's not the most exciting part of cruising, and I hope you would never have to use it, but travel insurance can be a lifesaver. It can cover things like missed flights, cancellations, or even medical emergencies while you're on board. Cruise line medical clinics do not take the standard insurance, so you'd be required to pay out of pocket for any expenses. Some cruise lines offer their own coverage, or you can shop third-party options. One of the keys, though, is to buy early. Some plans only offer full coverage within a certain window after booking. I'm going to do a full video focusing on cruise/travel insurance to help you decide which option is best for you. Download your cruise line's official app. It acts like your cruise day companion. You can check the daily schedule, book activities, check your spending, chat with members in your travel party, and much more. Step 5. Join the cruise line's loyalty program. Even if it's your very first cruise, sign up for the cruise line's loyalty or rewards program. This is absolutely free and starts tracking your points or cruise days immediately. That way, when you book your next cruise on the line, because let's be honest, it's going to happen, you'll already be climbing the ranks in the loyalty program. Some loyalty programs even give you perks on your very first cruise, like discounts or freebies that you can take advantage of. Start researching your shore excursions. One of the best parts of cruising is exploring new ports, but don't wait until you're on the ship to figure out what to do. You want to start researching shore excursions and your destinations now. Check the cruise line's official options and look at trusted third-party companies. Some of the third parties are often much cheaper and offer smaller group experiences than the cruise lines. You can also search cruise blogs to see what excursions other cruisers recommend. Personally, I've found this to be a very time-consuming process, and I'm still actually working through this step with my own cruise. There's a lot of information out there, and you want to be careful in your decision to make sure that you and your party get the very best day at port. Budget for add-ons and watch for deals. Your cruise fare includes a lot, but there are some extras that you may want to add. Drink packages, specialty dining, Wi-Fi, gratuities, and shore excursions all start adding up. But here's one of the tricks. A lot of cruise lines are going to offer discounts if you book before you get on the ship. So if you're interested in any add-ons, you're almost always going to get a better deal than if you wait. If you get on the ship, the prices are gonna almost assuredly be higher, and potentially you're gonna be very limited in your options or not have options at all, like shore excursions or dining. So if you go ahead and lock in your rate, you can often also cancel and rebook if you find a better deal later on. It's important to check in every couple of weeks and around holidays where you might expect to have big sales. Booking your cruise is the first step, but these follow-ups help ensure you don't miss a beat before you ever step on board. If this helped you get your cruise planning organized, hit that like and subscribe button for more first-timer tips, behind-the-scenes cruise life, and port day fun. Let me know in the comments, what cruise did you book and what are you most excited about? I reply to everyone. Until next time, may your sails be smooth and your boarding rolls be high.